In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel effectively, step by step, to optimize your business processes and take full advantage of this powerful platform. Let's start by signing up and logging in. To begin, head over to gohighlevel.com. Once there, kick off your journey with a 14-day free trial. Simply fill in your business information and select a plan that best suits your needs. Once your account is set up, you'll find yourself at your new dashboard. It's the central hub where you'll manage everything, from your contacts to your marketing efforts. Now let's move on to completing the Launchpad setup. This part is crucial for seamless integration with your tools and services. Follow the on-screen setup guide to connect important components like your email, phone number via Twilio, and Stripe for payments. It's a good idea to integrate your Google account too, to manage your calendar and email sync effectively. This ensures that all your appointments and communications are in one place. Don't forget to set your time zone and the name of your business to keep everything aligned. Understanding the dashboard is next. On your screen's left side, you'll find a menu filled with features designed to simplify your workflow. Conversations bring all your SMS, email, and chat messages into a single inbox, while Contacts is where you manage your leads, clients, and customer segments. Opportunities help you track your sales pipeline, and calendars are perfect for scheduling calls and appointments with clients. Explore the marketing section to create compelling email and SMS campaigns, and use automations to build workflows for follow-ups. Finally, the Sites section allows you to create stunning landing pages, websites, and funnels. When you're ready to add or import contacts, navigate to Contacts, then click on Import Contacts. You can either upload a CSV file or manually add each contact. Remember to tag them with identifiers such as masterclass lead or prospect for more efficient organization. Adding custom fields is also a smart move to store details like business type or lead source. Creating a centralized calendar comes next. Head to Calendars, then select Create New Calendar. Connect it to your Google Calendar so all bookings are automatically synced. Define your availability, meeting lengths, and buffer times, and don't forget to share your calendar link for easy scheduling. You can even choose to embed it on your website. Enhance your engagement by creating a funnel or landing page in Sites. Start by clicking on Funnels, then select New Funnel. You can use a template or start from scratch, adding essential elements like an opt-in form, thank you page, and booking page. Be sure to customize it with your brand's colors and messaging to maintain consistency. Once everything's set, publish your funnel and share the link. Automations are key to proactive engagement. Therefore, building a workflow in automations is beneficial. Select workflows, then create new workflow. Choose a trigger such as form submitted and add actions like sending emails or SMS, creating opportunities, or setting follow-up messages. Testing your workflow before going live ensures everything functions as expected. With a clear understanding of these essential elements within GoHighLevel, you're well on your way to optimizing your business operations for success. Remember to keep checking back, refining your processes, and enhancing your strategy as you grow.